What's up, YouTube? This is Dwight here with AuctionUp, heading to an auction. I was just riding down the road and a joke came to mind. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to an auction. Nah, I'm just playing. Anyway, well, I'm heading to an auction right now. Started a vacation week up this week, and I don't have to go to work, so I want to start on the right tip. I have absolutely no business going to an auction according to my wife. I'm doing it anyway. Got some new equipment here. Got a new camera. Got a new mic, lapel mic for it. They increase the quality of the videos. Actually invested some money into it. Right now we have 492 subscribers, which is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'm hoping to hit 500 by the end of this week. If anybody's watching this video, help a brother out and just hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. And at the minimum, hit the like button. YouTube appreciates that and gives me more traffic. So here we go. Let's see what we can find.
Alright guys, here is the first time having my the new mic, so we should get much better sound from you. It's pretty cool. Right now we're just looking at the box lots, seeing if there's any hidden treasures up here that I can get for cheap, because it does happen. Let's see what we got here. These cherubs are always good for a quick $20 bill. It won't make you rich, but you know, you buy a little meal or something somewhere with it. Let's see what we got here. I'm not seeing too much up here. Pictures like these would be shocking because they have resale value. Even if they're not black and white, just vintage and old, you could make a penny with them. No, you wouldn't think so, but I've done it more than once in the past. And if it specializes with something like hunting, you can really make out well. There's an old plate, pretty cool. Alright, what else we got here? Some little plates here. I have a lot of stuff in the house right now. So right now I'm just looking to piece together a little something. But I'm not really trying to go all in today. I just wanted to get to an auction. I love going to auctions. Hey, I had one of these when I was a kid. I might just have to buy that. I sure did. I'm gonna buy that and send it to my dad down in Florida. He'd get a kick out of it. What else we got up here? Old seasoning things. This was not bad actually. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. Alright. Old postcards and more pictures. Now these pictures don't look as old though. Tools. Okay. This is something I like here. Let's see, we got letters from the 70s, 81. This has my interest. I have to try for that one if I don't forget it. I'll probably forget it though. Oop. Excuse me. Alright, let's go out here and see what's out here. Here's the old auction house out here. A lot of guitars. I don't know anything about instruments. Interesting clocks down there. I don't want to squeeze down now. Alright, let's go downstairs, see what's here. And of course, everybody's staring at me with the camera as usual, but I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm on a mission. Oh, we got some old books down here. I love old books and Bibles. Drives my wife crazy at times. Let's see what else is down here. Chances of getting something good here today is going to be hard. A lot of competition. Whole lot of competition here today, to be honest. Let's see what we got up here. Alright. This is pretty cool. And some little pipes. You gotta be careful when you're buying pipes. Anything with ivory, which I suspect these are ivory, it's really hard to sell online because it's illegal. Alright. I just bought those the other week. Same setup the other week, actually. Kind of funny. Got some depression wear here. Now here's a unique fact. The real depression wear was actually made with uranium. So it glows in the dark if you have a black light. If it's real, true depression wear. They use uranium in them, which is crazy, but they really did. Now there's a lot of the green that's not true uranium, depression wear, but it still looks cool. It's pretty cool pillboxes. Like I said though, today everything here is going to go high. Very, very high. But it doesn't stop the coolness factor. Legos go for a nice penny, believe it or not. Little Boy Scout stuff here. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. Around here. Alright, let's see what else we got here. It's pretty cool though. A lot of country music memorabilia, which unfortunately I can't relate to, but this doesn't stop it from being nice. Alright. Let's see what we got up here towards the front. Crockware always goes for a lot of money. Excuse me. A lot of old books here. I haven't seen an old Bible yet though. Alright. Let's go outside and I'm gonna come up with a game plan. Okay guys, here's the game plan for this auction. I'm going to try to just kind of hang in the back. I'm looking to pick up stuff that's super cheap that, you know, can go for $40, maybe $50, but I'm not trying to lay out too much money because I have a lot of competitors in there and it's going to go up high today. Spring's real close though, so a lot of estate sales and auctions are going to start kicking in and it's going to get a lot better. People start going to yard sales and stuff, but right now it's really expensive, so I'm gonna be real picky about what I pick out today. All right, let's see what happens. All right guys, it's a good start. Spent $7, right? This box here is full of letters, just personal letters written 82. I know I saw 75 in it, and they're just random letters. Now you'd be like, why would you buy that, Dwight? That makes no sense. But I've done really good selling diaries, really very well with diaries, even some extremely weird diaries over the years. Like I don't know, they were artistic, crazy.